What's up, people? Again, I got suspension video number 1. This is a leaf spring suspension. Let's get into it. For this build, you're going to need 4 tires that take the axle rod connectors, 2 axle rods of equal length, and pretty long, not too short, because then you won't have the right amount of length. 2 1x12s, 2 of them. 4 1x2 thicks with the keyhole, 2 1x4s, the tall ones, and 2x4 flat, 2x4 flats, 2 of them. Start off by taking 1x4 flat and 2 of the 1x2s with the keyholes, putting them on there like that. Then taking an axle rod, putting it through there, and taking your 2 tires and sliding it on there all the way. You want to do that twice. Now you got that done twice. Take your 2 1x12s, put them on one of the axles, and you want to leave 2 studs off of the front of the axle, coming off front of the axle, and then you're going to want to place your rear axle, the rearmost axle, in the same spot, so they're evenly spaced apart. Then you take your 1x4s, you put them on either end. There you go. Now you have leaf spring suspension. Very heavy duty, so it's not much give, but if you're hauling something heavy, she has a little bit of flex to her. And that's all for this video. See you in the next one.